Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get a virtual card for safer online transactions on bill.com. So first let me explain what is a virtual card. A virtual card is a digital version of your credit or debit card. It has its own unique card number, expiration date and CVV, and you can use it just like a regular card for online purchases. So you don't need to expose your real card details in it. So first of all, start with your current bank. Many major banks now offer virtual card services, like the Bank of America, Capital One, Citibank. Like it uses virtual account number. To see your bank account offers, you have to log into your online banking portal, search for virtual card or virtual account number, or call the customer service for help. So if you manage business expenses or just want extra control, bill.com like this one spend and expense offers robust virtual card options. You can create one-time use cards for single purchases, set up subscription cards for recurring payments. It easily monitor spending by category or users. And if you are thinking about is virtual cards are safe or not, then the answer is yes, they are actually safer than using your physical card online. One time use cards protect you from your fraud and phishing links or products. I mean fraud and phishing scammers, okay? You don't have to worry about your card being saved on shady websites. Just remember, reusable virtual cards can still face some cyber threats, also monitor your activity regularly. So if you are ready to make your online transactions safer and smarter, check with your bank or look into services like bill.com. So if this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any questions in the comments you have. I have got your back. See you in the next video.